If your city looks like a frozen wasteland, you're in the grip of an epic snowstorm. The sky looms a dark, ominous grey. Winds howl like 1,000 banshees, flinging snowflakes with unrelenting force. Trees bend and sway, bowing under the sheer power of the storm. Snowdrifts rise, consuming the city in a relentless surge of white. Visibility almost zero. The raw power of nature is on full display, turning familiar streets into a frozen battleground. Feel the chill, hear the wind, and witness the city under siege by this epic snowstorm. Stay safe and stay tuned, because this is one storm you won't want to miss.